strength, power from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that we are in conflict area. We are facing the most difficult people in the world. We are in the center of the Middle East. We are in a critical situation. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala facilitate the Quranic education for our children. I tell you one story. I was a teacher of, I was teacher of Quranic science or tahfiz. I was teacher in tahfiz in one camp. You will get tired. Believe me. Just stop the recording and sit down. Actually, I'm doing this for purpose to stop. Okay, so I was a teacher in a camp. This camp has a lot of children and a lot of children with huge differences. Some of the children can memorize 1 juz per day. 2 juz per day. And some of them, they can memorize 5 pages, 3 pages per day, 9 pages. Okay? But one of the things that was interesting to me, there is a student, he is 6 years old. 6 years old. And he told me, Ustaz, I want to memorize, practice Quran with you. I said, yes. I thought he's, he doesn't memorize anything from Quran because he is still 6 years. But he shocked me when I asked him, how much do you memorize from Al-Quran? He told me, I'm memorizing 5 juz and I will be hafiz in this camp. Okay? From his confidence, I believe he can do it if he get the proper help, the suitable help. Okay? So I started to help him and I talked to his parents. I told him, your child, he has a lot of energy and power, but he needs someone and people around him to support him. I swear, wallahi, in 1 month, he has finished the whole Quran. For several reasons. Number one, this child has a power from his parents. His parents was pushing him. Okay, you memorize Al-Quran, we will give you. You will be. We gonna support you in this. You will be distinguished and a star between the kids. We will okay? So he got a lot of support from the parents because the parents are the core of the child life. If the parents are existing in the child life, then the child will be a superhero. Okay? So this is number one. Number two, he got assistance and the help from the teacher. He must have a teacher. Okay? When he has a suitable teacher and a proper teacher, this teacher, the assistant from the parents, assistant from the teacher, he will get 100% support. Okay? The third thing and the most important that I said before point number one and point number two, it's the power from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? This power came from where? From the parents' dua. Okay? If you want your child be something, not your child. If you want to get a job, you, all of you, if you want to get a job, okay? So what will you do? Dua, pray night, just do sadaqah, just ask someone here, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala many times. And you want to do everything to get a job, right? Why you don't do this effort for your kids to memorize Al-Quran? Who is better, you or your kids? Usually, usually, as a good parents, always believe that we need our kids to be better than us, right? We need our kids to be the better version of us. So if you spend much effort while you are looking for a job, it's better to spend a lot of time, make dua for your kid to memorize the Quran. This is the most significant reason for your question. Okay? And the most important that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have seen a good thing in your child, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give him this gift. Because a lot of children can try, but they don't get it. Okay? I hope I answered your question. Okay? Thank you. The next, our sheikhna, our mentor, our boss. Okay, your question.
جاوية حسنا هذا السؤال يتعلق بما سأله الأخ
Agun. نعم. This is related to your question.
هو سأل وأنت تجيب بأننا لابد أن نتابع الخبر الصحيح الذي جاء من قبل الحكومة الفلسطينية أو
ليس الحكومة ليس أنا لم أقل حكومة.
نعم من قبل من قبل
الجهات الفلسطينية.
الفلسطينية. ولكن أنا يوما شاهدت أمي تيفي أمي this channel like I call Indonesian call video call with Israeli people.
Okay. Oh, they have a strong relationship with Israel. Okay.
والإندونيسي هذا يسأل ويقول أنتم يعني مجرمون. ثم إسرائيل يقول كيف نحن مظلومين.
Focus, everyone. Pay attention. Focus to his question. Okay? Because it has related something to what I want to do with you. Okay?
ثم قال الإندونيسي هذا لا يعني نحن تابعنا الخبر الصحيح. وقال الإسرائيلي لا أنتم تتابعون الخبر الكاذب. نعم. ثم الإندونيسي يقول لا بل أنتم تتابع الخبر الكاذب. ثم الإسرائيلي يجيب بإجابة يعني ربما يقنع الإندونيسي ويقول أنت لا تعيش في مكاننا وأنت لا تشاهد الحقيقة ونحن أعلم بالحقيقة. إذن أنت قرأت الخبر الخاطئ أو الكاذب. Ya, saya tanya sama Syekh berkaitan dengan pernah suatu ketika saya lihat Ome TV, katanya ada dua orang, saya lihat orang Indonesia sama orang Israel lagi video call lah ya. Dan orang Indonesia ini menyalahkan orang Israel bahwa mereka itu kriminal lah ya. Tapi terus orang Israel itu bilang, enggak, kami enggak kriminal. Kamu tahu kabar dari mana? Saya baca kabar dari berita begini dan begini. Tapi akhirnya orang Israel itu bilang, enggak, kamu yang salah baca kabar itu dusta karena saya itu langsung hidup di sini dan saya melihat hakikat yang terjadi di sini. Jadi saya ini lebih berhak untuk menyatakan bahwa saya ini lebih benar dan kamu itu baca kabar yang keliru, yang salah.
Who can give me suggestion for the answer? Who can help me with the answer? Any idea? Any idea from you can help me with the answer? Men? Who? Sisters? Any idea to answer this question?